The Broncos re-signed Zach Kerr to a 2-year deal. Zach, congratulations.
Appreciate it.
Why'd you feel like this was the best move for you and your family?
I mean, it kind of made sense for us. We've been here. We've been with the Broncos 2 years. It's a great organization. I made everlasting relationships with the guys in the locker room, and it just made sense as far as a football move too. Coach Vic is coming in and he's bringing a real nasty, tenacious defense, and that's something I want to be a part of.
What have your meetings been like with Coach Fangio?
Actually, we just talked, and we just kind of talked about life, and excited to have me back, and we're going to figure out what my role is.
Fun to bring in your son for signing too, huh?
Yeah, his mom had an exam, so I'm on daddy duty. So I told her, I was like, you know what, I guess I got to bring him with me. So hopefully he's not acting too crazy over there.
Oh, this is a big decision for you and your family,
Absolutely,
right?
Yeah, and that's what it was. I kind of just, I talked to them about it. I called my mom last night and gave her my thought process, and she was like, it's ultimately up to you as long as you're happy with the decision. And even, my lady and Enzo likes Denver, man. He just started school, so
Okay.
He's a Denver guy for sure. So he gave me the okay, and I was like, all right, cool. If he says it's all right, it's all right.
What do you think your role is going to look like next year then?
It's hard to say. It's hard to say. We retained Shelby as well. Me and Shelby felt like we played really well together. It's kind of, I feel like it'd kind of be like how it was last year, kind of a job by committee. We were all pretty productive last year in our respective roles, and I feel like Vic is just going to elevate that a lot, and just use the players that we have, and take it to the next level.
Broncos brought in another Delaware star too, huh?
Yeah, I mean, look, we taking over. We taking the league by storm right now. You know what I'm saying?
I appreciate it, Zach. Congratulations, man.